This 2024 Coachmen Prism Select 24FS is a Class C RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Coachmen is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 5, auxiliary battery, external shower, water heater, slide-out, refrigerator, air conditioning, awning, Colorado Detector, smoke detector, spare tire kit, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, full wall slide, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Coachmen Prism Select 24FS is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.